All right, so this is a week after, almost a week after I fixed the drywall under the doorbell, and you guys saw me. I sanded the coating of the I can't think what it's called, but I sanded it. But then I realized there was still like a little piece of, I don't know, like metal part popping through there. So I just added a little bit more plaster there, and so when it dries, it's gonna turn white, and then I'm gonna re-sand it, so you won't see that sticking out of there. So, but yeah, it actually turned out pretty good. The only thing I need to really do, I just need to paint over it, so it look even more smooth, or smoother, I guess. But yeah, this is my DIY drywall fix. Hey, so welcome to another vlog. My name is Pauline Snow if you are new here. So I just showed you guys my DIY for my drywall fix, and I think I did okay for my first time. So, you know, the more you keep doing these type of things, you get better and better and better. So I am definitely going to just push myself to do a little bit more DIYs around the house, because I think the major benefit is that it saves money. So yeah, so I think the biggest thing that's going to be going on in this vlog is going to be my unveiling of my office chair. So as I've been saying, I had the chair for a really long time. Actually, I bought it earlier on when I first moved in my home. Bought it from Crate and Barrel, but I purposely did not set it up because I kind of wanted my light fixture to be installed. My daughter's crying. I wanted that to be installed before I actually set up the chair. So you guys are going to see me put that together, unveil it, and I'm so excited to show you all what that is going to look like now that I have my light fixture in place. So let's go ahead and get into this vlog. Oh, I wanted to show you guys. I got my nails done. It's been a minute since I had my nails done, but this is just a gel full set, and just wanted to show you guys. This is the almond tip. Yeah, so I don't know, I'm feeling really pretty today with my new nails. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this vlog. So here she is, my office chair, all put together. But as you can see, it is like it's leather. It's like this ivory color, the gold, brushed gold hardware or armrest and the wheels there, the bottom of the chair. So it looks so good. Oh my gosh, I love this. I actually had a similar chair like this at my other house, but it was silver. So I definitely, and I really love the chair, but I wanted to do something different. So I like this brushed gold. Yeah, so this looks so good. I love it. Yes, the only thing I think I need to figure out, for some reason, I gotta figure out this adjusting thing. I know it's like pretty straightforward, but it wasn't like going up and down for me, so I have to just figure that out. But yes, wasn't too bad putting it together. Once I figure out the wrench part, the Allen wrench, I was using one end of it and it wasn't tightening the screws, and then I turned it around and it went much better. But other than that, you know, it was pretty easy putting together. So yeah, so you guys excuse my messy desk. Yes, but let me know what you guys think of the new office chair. And this is with the light. Now, because of the brushed gold, this is probably why I was like back and forth on whether or not I should have gotten the black or like the brushed gold in this color to kind of flow with the chairs. But you know what? I think I'm okay because it actually, it gives it a pop in the office just because of the black desk, the black light fixture, the black door, then the other chandelier out there. And then when I get my built-ins back here, these are going to be black. So I kind of like the chair, this color and the brushed gold with the armrest in the bottom, because I think it's gonna pop a lot more once I get my built-in back here. So it is coming together, you guys. I love, love, love the chair. It is so nice. And I love the fact that it is leather. So this is how it looks from behind. Yes. So modern, sleek. Yes. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about the new office chair. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close out this vlog. I know it was a short vlog, but I really wanted to this week kind of just show you or unveil my new office chair, so you got a chance to see that. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your weekend, week, whenever you tune in to watch this video. Don't forget, hopefully you're watching this video to the end. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, all of that good stuff. I do reply to all of my comments. And until the next video, bye-bye.